How did the tariffs and the US dollar fluctuation affect your business?
Honestly, I don't know. I think maybe it's a positive or a negative way, but I think maybe it's a positive way because now it's forcing all the customers to buy from the USA, so maybe it's a positive thing.
Unfortunately, the tariffs did have its effect. However, there's some workarounds, from merchandise that we used to bring in from outside the US. We're still able to sell outside of the US to outside of the US, or even bring in the US, through bonded warehousing and whatnot.
For everything we have way out. Now we have in US bonded warehouse, and it didn't affect too much. So a little bit longer ETA sometimes for bonded products, but all over it works well.
So we did get a little bit of a down period, but now we shifted and adjusted our focus. And now we're focusing a lot in the European, Middle Eastern, and international.
Well, we export from the US, so weaker dollar is a lot better for us because the prices for our products are lower comparatively to other countries. So it's been great for us.
I will say about 70% our business dropped to Miami because we have an office in Miami, and my shipments to Miami has extremely dropped. So now currently we are actually exporting to outbound warehouse.
First of all, when they published the tariffs on the Q2, it was really hard moment for every company from States because the supply was getting lower and lower. So it was really hard to manage with it. But then it got better and better. And now, because of the dollar rate, we are doing better, and we are in Q4 at the moment. So the business is getting more and more busier.
To be very honest, it did not affect us quite a lot because most of our dealing is with Europe and with Asia.
It has affected our business since we do a lot of importing from China for parts. We were able to navigate, and we are stable at the moment.
Yes, it has affected our business because the currency fluctuation, especially when we are working in the countries like CIS countries, like Russia and other countries, of course, the fluctuation in the currency really affects our business.
It's affected us a little bit on the start, but in the end we find a solution because we are a strong team and we have professionals inside of our team, so we always looking for the best solution and trying to solve any situation in plus for our company.
I can say that it's a little bit because of some markets we are not capturing, and we have some customers, but it's still where we are going good with our business, with the new plans and new tariffs. Works well also.
Tariff obviously hit us a little bit part, but we developed another market to cover that part. The market fluctuation with the currency is affecting really bad. Dollar is not stable now, and the euro is not stable. It's the daily trade, so we adapt the trade on the daily basis. We fix the prices.
More than effect on the business, it is about the sentiment. So whenever in our industry the sentiment gets affected, the overall business goes down.
Tariffs have not affected us so much, but I think in the coming days we will see an effect.
Have a little of a factor because our post-staging business main market is America. So this is for us is a bigger factor.